Hello and welcome back to my channel guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to import the data that you had already pre-processed in Rstudio into the Microsoft Excel file. Like if you had a bunch of data you already pre-processed in some of the platform. I'm only talking about the Rstudio here, and I'm not even going to teach you how to pre-process it. I'm just going to show you how to import it. As you can also see, here is the example of my pre-processed data. Let me prove you. Just before pre-processing, my data look like this. Can you understand it? Not even once. There are numbers, no strings. After then, I pre-process the data. There is a change in data. Now you can see it. There are strings which is very understandable, as you can see guys. So my friend who is even working with me in the project asked me, can you give me the pre-processed data? I don't care about your code, I just need a pre-processed data. Okay, so though she didn't care about the code, how can I send the Rstudio, like the project, into, like how can I mail her? She just needed a CSV or the Excel file, right? So even I searched in Google how to do it, I couldn't get the clue, or I don't know, I didn't know how to search it, or I don't know. I wasted my 1 hour. So guys, you don't need to worry if you are on this same dilemma where I was. Then there's a simple trick. You just need to toggle your mouse in anywhere of the screen inside the CSV, sorry, inside the preprocessed data of your Rstudio, and you just need to click the right link. There comes the option select all. After you select all, everything will be selected. There will be no any corner left. Okay, just do it, select all, and what it will do, obviously copy, and then after go to the Microsoft Excel new book, then you just paste it here, then you'll get the exact data. I had 1728 entries, so here are my data in the CSV form, or you can say the Excel form. Thank you guys.